Hi everyone, welcome to this Wednesday cleaning video. I'm sharing my 15 minutes instant cleaning motivation and I hope you can use it for your own home cleaning schedule. This is my realistic weekly cleaning routine and many things happen every day and we learn to set priorities and set new tasks on the go. And I hope you can clean with me today and make something amazing for your home too. This is Ala from Alalas and I welcome you to my channel. Be sure to subscribe if you have not done yet and if you want to see more videos like this, because I create such motivational videos to support you. As you have seen, I started the wash already and I washed our transitional clothes, mine and children, because we seem to have summer here in Finland finally, and hopefully it will stay nice and warm as it is now and we don't need those all till the autumn comes. But we never know. So I start the cleaning from the entryway today because it was really mess here and you know how fast all that sand will go inside of the house. Also, I need to take care about our shoes before I put them away, and this will give me a space for summer pieces for sure. But before bringing here something new, I want to clean here properly. I'm using this new Electrolux vacuum cleaner which we recently purchased, and it is such a joy to see how powerful it is and how fast dust and scent disappear. Because it is so nice outside, I want to open the door and let the fresh air come in, and I want to clean all those mirrors from tops to bottoms because it makes the difference. After the mopping is done, I am ready to go on with my cleaning, and it is time to clean up the toilet. It was almost 11 a.m. and I needed to hurry up because my little girl was soon to get hungry and ready to nap. So I take away toothbrushes and I bring them back to shower for the evening use, and I tidy up here really quickly. Later, as my girl is having her nap, I can go on to my laundry. I take away the pieces which should be hung dry, and the rest I drop inside of the dryer. And then I start another load with light colors. These yellow jackets are okay to be washed in washing machine, though gentle cycle should be used, and no fabric softener for sure. And here comes my tip of the day, guys. So if you are going to wash your outwear, I highly recommend to always check the manufacturer's labels and follow their washing instructions. In my practice, even things looking the same and produced by the same brand usually request different treatment. So I always check and always follow because I never want to destroy them. After the laundry was done, I wanted to wipe this very dirty window and then to clean out the stairs. But my little girl decided that 30 minutes was enough for this day nap, so I had to postpone stairs. Instead, we had some fun in kitchen together. So I decided to clean here all the shiny glossy surfaces as well, because they all needed a treatment and my little angel sure wanted to help me. I thank you all guys so much for watching this video. I hope you also have a nice productive day. And if it is your day off, be sure to make yourself a cup of something nice and watch my other cleaning video. And I will talk to you again soon. Be safe and stay awesome. Bye bye.